today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this beautiful cap in a certain material. Very easy to make. So stay tuned and let's get started. So this piece and measurement is actually for a little child, a little baby. Okay, you can actually vary your measurement at this point. Now I cut out this piece with this head circumference plus sewing allowance for the baby. Okay, now you can see the width I used. This 8 inches wide, and then uh the the width I used and the length I used. Okay, so I'm going to fold this up just like this. Okay, I ran a stitch across, and this is actually a satin material. Don't forget that it is not going to be elastic. It's going to have elastic, but it's not very stretchy. That's what I mean. So after doing this now, don't forget that I did not cut at exactly the measurement, the hair circumference measurement. I added about 2 inches more. This is where I would insert my elastic. Just watch as I insert this elastic. This cap is so easy to make, and you can make it in 5 minutes. All right. Now I have a piece of elastic that I'm going to be inserting through this this space that I have actually created here, and I will insert it a bit so that it covers that's 1 inch. That's 1 inch at this side and 1 inch at the other end. Okay, then plus my sewing allowance. That's where I have that 2 inches. So this is it. I hope this is clear. Whatever you have as a head circumference, please add 2 inches for this if you're using this particular kind of fabric because it's not stretchy. Now look at the way I added it. Now I'm going to also, you know, place this out here and then pin it. Okay, I'll be able to drag out this elastic so that it's a bit stretchy. This is where I'm gonna be having my stretch. So in case you're using fabrics like this satin material, or an Ankara, dolphins, dolces, whatever material you're using that is not stretchy, this is a good method that you can try out for your caps. Okay, so and this cap is so easy, very easy. You will see how it's being made. I've made a lot of videos on how to make different caps, different styles of caps. So yeah, so in this particular feed, in this particular channel, so go ahead and check them out. Okay, this seems to be the easiest by review. Okay, by review, based on review. So this is it. Once I have inserted it, I will drag the elastic out a bit. Okay, just to give it a little bit of stretch at this end. Okay, so when I have safely pinned the elastic into and the elastic out, okay, that's the intro and the extra. Now let's choose that word. I'm going to be joining this area, then forming pleats at this end all the way to the front area. Very simple, very simple to make. Okay, so this is the stretchy part. You can see how they look, and I have now gone ahead and formed the pleats, running a stitch across all the way to the front, all the way to the, just with one, stitch. I've already sewn it round, and you can see how the cap is already looking, and you can see the end, the part that has the stretchy elastic. Now I'll go ahead and add my finishing here, whether you want to use an applique or use a flower design, whatever you want to do, or you want to create yours, whatever be it. I just got the middle point of my cap, and then I'll be using that flowered design to place on it. That is practically all. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using a gun to, you know, rub on my flower before pasting it on my fabric. You can actually use whatever gum you desire. I also have a video on how to use this gum, so go ahead and check it out. And that's practically all for this video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on lacy designs. Bye.